Evolution has always occurred and will always occur. There has never been and never will be a time when organisms do not evolve. According to the old adage, evolution has been going on constantly for countless generations. If you could travel back in time millions of years, though, you'd see that these species were prospering and looked remarkably similar to how they do now. Hello and welcome back to our channel, The Juicy Truth. If you've got a thirst for knowledge that never quits, then subscribe to our channel to quench your thirst. Here are 3 of such creatures that are the greatest survivors of evolution, which look remarkably identical to their ancestors. Number 3. Lice. Parasites have had some of evolution's most impressive successes, but few have persisted as long as lice. There aren't many fossils of lice, but in 2004 paleontologists revealed the discovery of a feather louse that was 44 million years old and eerily similar to modern lice that infest the feathers of water birds. Lice have been documented for much longer than that. In 2011, scientists analyzed genetic comparisons between living lice and the few louse fossils that had previously been discovered to estimate when major lice lineages first appeared. In particular, feather lice appear to have diverged from their hitchhiking ancestors between 115 and 130 million years ago, when tiny mammals were scampering through the Cretaceous undergrowth and feathered dinosaurs were swarming the land. Feather lice haven't had to adapt much to stay up with their hosts, since they originally developed to feed on prehistoric birds and feathered, non-avian dinosaurs. Number 2. Cow sharks. There are 5 gill slits on each side of most living sharks, from nurse sharks to big whites. However, there are 4 different kinds of cow sharks, and each of them have 6 or 7 gills, a trait that may have survived for millions of years from the earliest sharks. These 6 and 7 gill deep-sea sharks are among the oldest living shark species. Sharks' teeth play a crucial role in their evolutionary history. Rare fossils of cartilaginous sharks have been found with traces of their soft tissues, but otherwise only their teeth have been discovered. The discovery of an articulated specimen of the primitive shark Doliovis problematicus pushed back the estimated age of sharks by at least 409 million years. However, modern 6 and 7 gill sharks come from a more recent ancestry. Cow sharks have been around for at least 175 million years, according to fossils of their saw-like teeth. These sharks of the deep sea are opportunistic feeders, meaning that they eat whatever they can get their mouths on. They may have played a consistent role as a deep-sea cleanup crew, feasting on the carcasses of marine reptiles during the Mesozoic and switching to marine mammals after the extinction of the dinosaurs. Roughly bladed teeth suggest that these ancient sharks have been adept deep-sea carrying consumers for millions of years, while nothing else is known about their appearance. Number 1. Crocodiles. The statement "they have gone unchanged since the time of the dinosaurs" is a staple of any documentary worth its salt when it comes to crocodiles. Sadly, that isn't entirely accurate. Although modern crocodilians like alligators, gharials, and crocodiles have been around for the past 85 million years or so, they are actually part of a much older and more diversified group of animals that first appeared during the Triassic period, the Crocodilomorpha, of which crocodiles are the sole surviving member. First appeared more than 205 million years ago and eventually became the largest group of reptiles on Earth. They coexisted with dinosaurs and exhibited a surprising diversity of shapes and sizes. Some, like the 112 million year old, roughly 40-foot-long giant Sarcosuchus, resemble their modern cousins quite closely. However, there were also formidable ocean-going predators like Dacosaurs, small forms with mammal-like teeth like Pachysuchus, crocodiles with tusks and extra armor like Armadillosuchus, and land-dwelling carnivores like Psittacus. Although modern crocodiles have an antiquated appearance, they are actually descended from a far more unusual and ancient ancestry. These 3 creatures are living proof that modern humans share the Earth with ancient creatures that predate even the dinosaurs. That's the end of today's exploration. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. We will see you in the next video. Bye.